Oh, these are the famous Ethiopian TikToker, right?
Yeah, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya, bro. I'm from Kenya.
Kenya?
Yeah, Kenya.
Really?
Yeah, Kenya.
Naomi is my manager.
Okay, now whom is your manager?
Yeah. So
you're artist.
Yeah, Naomi.
Yes, he's artist.
Artist. Artist. Okay, that's right.
Yeah, he music, song, sing. Music.
He sings music like a. Oh my God! Wow! አወኩት ጆሮ የሚያደሙ አርቲስት ነው